What's up guys, it's your boy Fisher Azzy TV back with another vlog. First of all, I want to wish everybody a happy new year. Today's plan is a late one. We are going to Mughal Azam for a double birthday meal. Me and my missus is birthday today. Today is my wife's birthday and yesterday was my birthday, New Year's Eve. I'm sorry I haven't uploaded a vlog in 3 months. I've been really busy with life and everything like that guys, but hopefully now I'm recording with a new camera. So hope you all enjoyed this vlog. Make sure you do like, comment, subscribe, turn the bell icon so you don't miss any more video guys. Let's go to Mughal Azam right now guys. Okay guys, we've come to Mughal Azam. Must say the setup is really nice. They haven't got the water fountain on today. They've actually made it so beautiful, mashallah. Okay guys, currently we booked a seat in Mughal Azam at 7 o'clock. We'll come a bit late, but hopefully we get a good spot and a good area. So, and also we'll give you a good review of the food. That was my first time coming over here. But yo, Mr. show them all around this over here. It's actually a beautiful spot over here. Seems so full so far, but inshallah we get a good spot guys. Come on, let's go inside. Right. As currently we finally got a seat over here. I recorded a menu for you as well guys. Here are the poppadoms as you see. And it come really quick so far guys. Now I'll give you an honest test of the food. It's my first time coming over here guys. So, okay, currently we have ordered our meal. So we have bought a tandoori mixed platter for a starter. Then we bought a chicken masala curry with 3 naans. What else did you buy? Kebab masala. And what else we got?
Chicken biryani.
We got chicken biryani and 2 drinks so far. If you want sweets, I have to probably order later on guys, but yeah, looking forward for the food right. Okay guys, I must say the service is actually quite quick so far for a New Year's Day. It seems busy as well guys, but yeah, so far we got our drinks have come as you see. Our popcorn has come. Now we're waiting for our starter. So yeah, I'll give you an honest review of the food and I'll give you a rating at the end of the vlog as well guys. Make sure you look forward for the rating. And yeah, I hope you all enjoying the vlog. Make sure you do like, comment, subscribe, turn the bell icon so you don't miss anything. Okay guys, currently waiting for our starter right now. Please tell me what you think of the quality of the camera guys. I'm trying a new camera. It's called the DJI Osmo Nano. So hopefully the quality is good and the audio is good. I haven't bought my DJI Mic Mini today, but I will try my best. The next time I vlog, I'm gonna start vlogging with this. So next time I do vlog, inshallah. This 2026 will be more vlogs guys, inshallah. So yeah, I'm gonna connect the DJI Mic Mini with it as well. So today I'm just testing out the audio without the mic guys. So yeah, inshallah, hope you all enjoying the vlog. Make sure you do like, comment, subscribe and turn the bell icon to miss any more videos. Many more vlogs on the way guys. I know this is more easy to carry as well guys. It's light and it's actually suitable. And yeah, I'm actually impressed with everything, guys. So alhamdulillah, just waiting for. Already tasting the starter, the first test, so here it goes. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Oh, not bad. Yo, that is quite nice. The spice is on point as well, guys. We got some lamb chops over here. Everyone knows I love my lamb chops. We got some shish kebabs and everything. So yeah, I'll give you a solid taste test again, guys. So yeah, here it goes. This is another chicken. I don't know what chicken this is, guys. But yeah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Whoa. This chicken over here, it tastes very nice and sweet, not too spicy. It tastes like, you know, these cardamoms. It tastes like that, but it's not too bad as that. It's very nice, guys. So yeah, that's a solid 7. Previous was a solid 7 as well, guys. Okay, guys, I nearly had a heart attack. I dropped my camera on the floor, which is a new camera. I didn't want to damage, but alhamdulillah, it survived the fall. But yeah, now for the taste test of the starters, I'll give it a solid 8 out of 10. The lamb chop should have been a bit more spicier, but it will do. The wings were very nice, guys, alhamdulillah. What else was nice? The shish kebab was nice as well. So all of a sudden the starter was really nice, guys, alhamdulillah, very nice, guys. But the lamb chop should have got a bit more spicy. So it's a solid 8 out of 10, guys. Now we're gonna have for the main, and I'll give you an honest test of that as well, guys. So the starter is 8 out of 10. Now the mains. So I'll see you once the main. Okay, guys, currently we just looked at our drink menu. So now we're gonna order a 2 Ferrero Rocher milkshakes. So I'm gonna give you an honest test of that, and once it comes, I'll record it for you and give you a taste test of that as well, guys. So yeah, let the mains come, then everything else comes in the milkshake, and I'll give you a taste test, guys. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this vlog, guys. We're waiting for our mains, but so far our milkshakes have come. After our mains, I will give you an honest test of the main and also the milkshake, guys. So yeah, keep an eye on the vlog, guys. Currently waiting for our mains. We are waiting for over an hour, half an hour, over an hour waiting for the main. I think they forgot about us, so I'm not very happy with that, but inshallah when the food comes, I'll give you an honest review and see how it is, guys. So yeah, let the mains come and I'll give you an honest review after that, guys. Our milkshake melted, waiting for these look. Awesome, alhamdulillah, the food is very nice. The starter out of 10 was an 8 out of 10. The main was 8 out of 10, guys, but the timing was too long. But you know what, alhamdulillah, the food was very nice and the setup is very nice. What's going on over here, guys? Show them all that around. Yeah, man. Now make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn the bell icon, don't miss any more videos, guys. Many more vlogs on the way, guys. And yeah, inshallah 2026 I'll be making bare vlogs for you guys. New camera I bought, so the videos will be very nice for you guys.